Budgeting is a fundamental financial skill that can significantly improve your overall well-being. By creating and sticking to a budget, you can gain control of your finances, reduce stress, and work towards your financial goals. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you create a budget that works for you. 1. Track your income and expenses. List all income sources. This includes your salary, wages, investment income, and any other sources of money. Track all expenses. Keep a detailed record of your spending for at least a month. Categorize expenses into essential, like rent and utilities, and discretionary, such as dining out and entertainment. 2. Set financial goals. Short-term goals. These are achievable within a few months or years, such as paying off debt or saving for a vacation. Long-term goals. These are more ambitious, like buying a house or planning for retirement. Create a budget. Estimate your income by adding up all your monthly income sources. Calculate your expenses by totaling your monthly expenses based on your tracking. Determine your net income by subtracting your total expenses from your total income. Allocate funds by dividing your net income into categories based on your financial goals and priorities. Review and adjust. Regularly review your budget by checking in on your spending habits and making adjustments as needed. Be flexible because life happens. If unexpected expenses arise, adjust your budget accordingly. Tips for budgeting success. Automate payments by setting up automatic payments for bills to avoid late fees, and ensure consistent contributions to savings. Cut back on unnecessary expenses by identifying areas where you can reduce spending, such as dining out less or canceling unused subscriptions. Find ways to earn extra income by considering side hustles or part-time jobs to supplement your income. Use budgeting tools, as there are numerous apps and websites that can help you track your spending and create budgets. By following these steps and staying committed to your budget, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Remember, budgeting is a journey, and it may take time to develop effective habits. Be patient, persistent, and celebrate your successes along the way.